Hey guys, this is our new teen number. We're going to look really deep into number 17. We're going to focus on 17 today. 17 is easy to trace. A 1 and a 7. Now make a face. A 1, which is the start at the top and down you run. That's the way you make a 1. And then a 7 across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way you make a 7. 17. So this is one of our teen numbers that says its own name. 17. 17. Look at Miss Hendry on that little pillow. That's silly. 17. SEVENTEEN. TEEN. I don't know if I said enough E's. All right. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Very good. 17 is easy to trace. A 1 and a 7. Now make a face.